we are going to discuss how to tackle problem of not getting multiple text boxes by using DT command. So now I open DTEXT command. So I type DTEXT, enter. Command line asks me to specify start point. I click anywhere on the screen. Specify height 3.5, enter, angle of rotation 0. So now the text box open. When I add the text and I click outside, you might have observed that text box vanish. Here I am not getting multiple text boxes. To overcome this problem, you just type DTEXT ED, that is DTEXT edit. And here you observe that the by default value added over here is 0. So because of that, we are not getting multiple text boxes. To get multiple text box, enter value 2 and press enter. Now when I open the text command again, you can see that I get a multiple text boxes. In this way, we can tackle a problem of not getting multiple text boxes by using DTEXT ED command.